Hi, Chanel from Tips and Tricks HQ here, and in this tutorial, we'll take a look at how you can use a plugin to reset your WordPress install. So the plugin we'll be using today is not by Tips and Tricks HQ, although this plugin is used on 100,000 other active sites. So we'll go ahead and we'll look at how you can do that. So basically just come to your WordPress dashboard, click on Plugins and click on Add New. It's the WP Reset plugin that we'll be using. So if you just go up to search plugins, just type in reset, click enter, and it should be the first one that comes up. So there it is, WP Reset. So we'll need to go ahead and we'll need to click the install now button. And once that's installed, we'll need to click on activate. So once you've gone ahead and you've got that plugin activated on your WordPress website, you can go down to tools, click on the tools menu, and then on WP Reset. So again, you'll need to go to Tools and then WP Reset. It doesn't have its own menu. It's actually hidden under that Tools menu in the WordPress dashboard. So that'll bring you to the WP Reset settings. You should really read this information here before proceeding, because once you do the reset, you cannot undo it. So anything that you've resetted on your WordPress, say if you've got a couple of posts or whatever you've got on there, you can't actually get them back once you've completed the reset on your site. So just go through here, it says resetting will delete, and it actually tells you everything that it's going to delete there, which is basically the entirety of your WordPress website. So maybe complete a backup if there's anything on there that you're actually going to want in the future. If you've just got some dummy posts or pages, it's fine to just go ahead and reset, as you're not going to really want them in the future. So that's what we're doing on this site right now. I've just got a lot of test pages and posts from other video tutorials. So I'm just going to go ahead and reset my site. So if I scroll down, it'll actually tell you what resetting will not delete. So it's not going to delete any media files, no files are touched, plugins, themes, uploads, everything stays. So you can see there what resetting will not delete. And I can see that my logged in user Chanel will be restored with the current password. So that's great. So I don't even need to worry about adding that user back in, which you would have to do if you were doing this the manual way. So really for me, using the plugin is the easiest way to handle this. Although for someone with extensive developer knowledge, I definitely recommend using cPanel to go ahead and reset your WordPress. Using the cPanel, you can actually choose which files and stuff you want to keep. So that's probably easier for a developer. But if you're a non-developer, go ahead and just use this plugin. So just scroll down a little bit, and it's here I'd like to draw your attention to the post reset actions. So using this plugin, you can actually choose to reactivate current theme. Once you've completed the reset, you can choose to reactivate this plugin, and you can choose to reactivate all currently active plugins. So I'll click that, which will actually reactivate this plugin anyway, but we'll just go ahead and click that one. And then we'll scroll down, and in this field down the bottom, I'll type reset. So I know that using this reset plugin will reset all of my WordPress. So I'm fine with that. So I've typed in reset. I'll click Reset WordPress, and I'll click the Reset WordPress button. So it actually gives you that further warning here. So at this stage, if you've decided that you do not want to proceed, you could click the Cancel button to abort. So it does state there, clicking Reset WordPress will reset your site to default values. All content will be lost. There is no undo. So clicking this Reset WordPress is the final step in resetting your WordPress. So I'm going to go ahead and I'll click that right now. So it's just resetting, might take a few minutes here. So there it is. I've reset my WordPress. If I go home, it's welcoming me to WordPress as it would if I created a new WordPress website. If I go to my pages, I can see that there's nothing in there that I've created. My posts, that's all nice and cleaned up for me. No more dummy posts, test posts there, which is great. So now if I go to my plugins, my installed plugins should all still be there. So they're all still there for me, which is great. So I don't have to go ahead and install all those 46 plugins that I had. So that's basically how you can reset your WordPress using a WordPress plugin. If you have any further comments about this tutorial or any questions, feel free to just ask them below this video, or furthermore, you can go to our TTHQ contact form.